Electrical Vehicle Fire Safety Pool. The purpose of this presentation is to answer the questions as to why rescue services and shipping companies, as well as owners of large parking facilities, should be prepared for lithium battery fires, as well as fires involving internal combustion engines. The aim of the presentation is to give an overall picture of the problems posed by lithium battery fires and to present a method for extinguishing fires in cramped and confined spaces such as ship decks and multi-storey parking facilities. The products are intended for destinations where, for example, a fire extinguisher appliance is unable to enter and where extinguishing a car by traditional methods would cause significant water damage, and where the occupational safety of firefighters could be endangered. In addition, the needed resources can then be minimised. This method is intended for internal use. There are other methods of extinguishing vehicles that ignite in traffic, and an outdoor fire does not necessarily pose as great a danger as one occurring indoors. The sprinkler system cools the combustion gases and holds the fire in check, but does not extinguish the vehicle fire. Therefore, extinguishing a fire is always the responsibility of firefighters attending the incidents. In the event of a fire involving lithium batteries, it must always be taken into account that smoke ventilation is also a very important part of the occupational safety of firefighters. If a car park is located underground and a fire occurs, it becomes a highly demanding incident for the firefighters wearing breathing apparatus to tackle. With the method we have developed, the exposure times of firefighting personnel can be shortened significantly. In addition to the fire gases, the water used for extinguishing also presents a dangerous risk to the environment, as well as to the concrete floor and the sewer system. Our method collects the fire extinguishing water for collection and for proper disposal and treatment. It is also worth noting that with the pool method, the amount of extinguishing water is significantly reduced. A battery fire produces extremely hazardous combustion gases that are very dangerous to inhale. Therefore, firefighters must be equipped with the appropriate personal protective equipment and breathing apparatus equipment. In addition, the exposed firefighters must be decontaminated after extinguishing the fire. In summary, the advantages of our method compared to traditional extinguishing methods. The following is a brief introduction into the application of our method. First, a 6 by 9 metre fire blanket is installed on top of the burning vehicle. This suppresses the fire and gives firefighters time to perform the following actions. The next step is to install our patented battery cooling pipes on both sides of the vehicle. Thirdly, the patented internal fire extinguisher is also installed by punching it through one of the vehicle's side windows. The extinguishing water, which is released, then stops once it has reached the level of the car's door sill. Then the filling pipe located in the pool recycles the water back to the extinguishing pool to continue the extinguishing process. Once the water tightness of the pool has been secured, it is possible to move away to a safer distance of approximately 20 metres, where one firefighter can control the water regulation from the manifold point and monitor the vehicle fire. This significantly reduces exposure time to the fire. Extinguishing a vehicle burning by traditional methods requires at least 2 firefighters to be located in the immediate vicinity of the car. A recommended cooling time of at least 24 hours would use a huge amount of resources. Our method reduces the need for those resources significantly. Our patented method has also taken into account the electrical cars that catch fire on the decks of ships. As cars are loaded very tightly on car decks and their sizes vary, it must be possible to have pools of different sizes. With our method, the problem is solved by using a waterproof zipper that can be used to extend the length of the pools so it can fit between cars. The cooling pipes supplied to ships will have magnets to which you can attach to the steel deck of the ship. Safety precautions means regular training. Therefore, every delivery includes a training pool to practice with. The actual pool with the dedicated tools is delivered in a sealed transport box. This makes the pool perfect for transportation and ready to use in case of an electrical vehicle fire. There is no need to purchase or look for additional firefighting tools. We have applied for an international patent for the method of extinguishing electrical vehicle fires. Our product includes all the special tools required with the pool in the package. The technique of drowning an electric car involved in fire has been known for a long time and is the safest and best way to extinguish a vehicle with batteries.